Hey guys, it's your girl Sheila, and I'm doing a one dill pickle challenge created by Explore with the Wagners. Oh yeah. Y'all gonna check out their channel and see how they did it and see if they completed their own challenge. 2 minutes to eat one dill pickle. Oh yeah, baby. Show me some love. Can y'all see who this is? Oh, Picklehead. Woo! Oh. What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Sheila. And I'm here to do the Explore with the Wagners 1 pickle in 2 minute challenge. Oh, yeah, baby. I saw them do that challenge. I'm like, I love pickles. We got a big jar already at home. Let me try doing this. I'm not going to dilly-dally. I'm going to get on into this. But y'all going over to Explore the Wagners. They've been coming up with some awesome challenges. I did a challenge, their pudding challenge. Y'all know I love some pudding, you know, and I dominated my pudding. Oh yeah, with my fingers. So anyway, I'm gonna try this. I got my my little thing to help me open this jar up just in case I can't open it up. And like I said, we ain't gonna dilly dally. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby, that's what you do. That's what you do. All right, so I'm gonna try and see if I can, and don't forget Sheila to get you in with the coldest water. I'm gonna try and see if I can get me a big pickle out of here, because there are some big ones in here. And I think I see one. Because I want to make sure it's fair. To make sure I get a big pickle. And if I can't find one big pickle, I'll get 2. Let's see. You know what? They got the biggest pickle right down here at the bottom. You see that? But guess what? I can't get to that one. Let's see, me looking at that one. And y'all, my hand's clean. Yes, it is. Alright, so anyway, I can't find no one big pickle. Look at this. I can't believe this. There's one. It looked bigger in the jar, but when you pull them out, they look small. Look at this. They're not that big. Alright, so I'm gonna take and get me 2. I'm gonna do 2 pickles, y'all. That should suffice. All right, let's put it over here. Got my olive. I think you can have any pickles you want. So we're gonna get into this. I wish I would have had a pickle, but let's do it. Let's do a thumbnail. Let's get into this video. And you know what? When people come up with these challenges, you know, it's all about the community. Y'all just go and do the challenge. I mean, like half the time, a lot of people don't even beat the challenge, or they don't make the challenge, or they don't complete the challenge, or they can't, you know. But even if you try, it's all that matters. And remember, I got a marshmallow challenge out there too, so y'all go check it out. Yeah. All right, so let's get into this video with silence in the background. Yay! All right, so we're gonna start the timer. I'm scared, y'all. All right, but I'm gonna try to do it. All right, y'all, so I've got it already set 2 minutes, as y'all saw. Let me go ahead and press it, and we're gonna get into this. Ah. Yay, baby, yay! Woo-hoo. I did it. I did it. And I didn't drink anything either, y'all. Woo! All right, so, y'all, I'm not going to challenge anybody because everybody that's watching this should do it. It's a cheap, inexpensive challenge. And it's all about community. All about helping others. Oh, yeah, baby. Where my oh, yeah, babies at? Oh, yeah. Where my oh, yeah, babies at? Oh, yeah, baby. PromoSTK. PromoSTK. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good in the neighborhood. Eating good. In the neighborhood. Oh, yeah, baby. Oh, yeah, baby. Don't forget, share, because you can. Bye, y'all.